Good morning, everybody. Up close and personal look at my Rio Samba. She is doing fantastic. I garden in zone 7B. It is almost end of October, actually. Tomorrow is the 30th of October, so you can see it's beautiful, still giving me a lot of blooms when everything else is dying off. Can you guys imagine? Look at all the color she's throwing at me. And this is just one Rio Samba. So you can see from maturity to aged. Here is a brand new bud. Look at that intense, vibrant color. And then as it opens up, it's like an amazing, I want to say like a beach sunset in all of its glory right here. You can see some of the bugs are loving it. This is a spent flower. So it turns from this fantastic sunset orange color of just all different kinds of color of everything you can think of, between orange to pinkish to yellowish. And then as it ages, here's a bigger one. It's a little bit more yellow. Inside it's almost completely yellow actually. And then here is in all of its glory. Ooh, another one right here. See, when it opens up, all the petals are finally open. Now there are different setups. So this one is fully open right here. So you can see the colors turning from yellow, bright yellow, to now an orangey, peachy color, to this hot pink color, to lighter pink, to almost white as it ages and dies off. Look at that grasshopper. They really do some damage, they do some damage to the roses. If you leave them, they like to eat the buds. So your buds are a little bit deformed. They love to eat the leaves as well. So Rio Samba does amazing for me. It is one of the earliest blooming roses. And as you can see, lasting all the way to fall. And this is probably my, I want to say, second year of having this Rio Samba. They propagate very easy from cutting, so I've actually taken quite a bit and have propagated quite a bit more. So I'm hoping by next year I can show you guys a huge area of just this stunning, beautiful Rio Samba rose. And they last for quite a while in this form. This rose right here lasted almost, I want to say, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So these guys will last way long for you. And Life Face, I haven't really cut them yet. Sorry, I just stepped on a little rose cutting that I had over here. So anyways, definitely recommend Rio Samba for you guys if you don't have one. Now, I think in some other area it's called like a confetti rose, which I think is also a great name for it because it throws off so much color to just one kind of rose. But I think they're completely different. I've never seen a confetti rose, but I would imagine this would be what it would look like if it had a different name. But this is the Rio Samba. I actually kept tags. I rarely ever kept tag. But this is the Rio Samba hybrid tea rose. And yeah, this is it. Definitely recommend this. Go out and buy yourself one and then multiply it on your own. And just enjoy the wonderful color and life nature has to offer for you. I hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, everybody.